ultimately is going to happen is these AI technologies are going to be built into so many other technologies, whether it's drones flying, self-driving cars, whether it's FDA-approved AI-powered medical diagnostics. All these different agencies are going to be touching technologies that are powered by AI. And it is incumbent on us to create a regulatory environment where these technologies can thrive and aren't going to be hindered by the government. The next piece of innovation, I think, is really key, is using the power of and the data that the government has to drive scientific discovery through artificial intelligence. We have seen in this first wave of AI great progress in the way that LLMs are able to handle coding, for example. But we can do so much more than that. There's incredible data sets the Department of Energy has, for example, at their national labs that can help power a lot of next generation discoveries and things in material science, in medicine, and that's what this AI plan calls for and drives. The next pillar, which is about infrastructure, people talk about this all the time, and it's about how do you create a regulatory environment that encourages and actually accelerates the ability of our power generators and our chip builders to be able to do what they need to do here in the United States. We can plan calls for categorical exclusions for AI-related activities, which can allow data centers and other power generation to happen on federal lands. And that's going to be coupled with all sorts of other efforts to really accelerate the velocity that we can build power and ultimately run these data centers.
So let's talk about, before we run out of time, one of the most important issues, which is the talent wars.
Yeah.
We're going to stay focused on AI here. We'll leave the border and deportations off the table, but we'll talk about something super important, which is recruiting talent from around the world. Yeah. This administration, we've gotten different signals, and obviously it's a very controversial issue here in the United States,